Female sex addicts are different than male sex addicts, although their behavior may be the same. In other words, a woman may look at porn, a woman may have anonymous sexual experiences, a woman may have affairs, a woman may pay a massage therapist to be sexual with her. But oftentimes women don't think of these behaviors as being sex related, even though they are sexual. A woman will say, you know, a woman who goes out and has sex with 3 different guys in a week will say, well, I'm just looking for the right partner, or I'm just looking to feel loved, or maybe this guy liked me or that guy liked me. Whereas this male sex addict who's going out and having sex 3 times a week is really more focused on body parts and the sexual act itself. So oftentimes women sex addicts are thinking more relationally, even though they may be engaging in the same kind of sexual behavior as the men. It's also much more difficult for a woman to seek help than a man, because for a woman, having a lot of sex is inevitably going to feel and be shameful. You know, a woman is always a slut in our culture who's having a lot of sex, but a guy is a stud. So a man can talk about and carry himself almost with pride to a certain point if he's having a lot of sex in our culture. A woman is going to be burdened by shame and problems with her own self-respect if she's having a lot of sex. So women are less likely to seek out help for sex. Women are likely to see their sexual behavior as being more shameful. They're more likely to frame their sexual behavior as being related to love. So a woman will come into therapy and she won't say she's a sex addict. She'll say, I have a love problem, I have relationship problems, I get into abusive relationships. And oftentimes women will relapse on drugs and alcohol related to their sexual behavior. One of the things we found in treating women who were sex addicts is about 50% of them had a great deal of difficulty maintaining their drug and alcohol sobriety because of their sex and relationship history, or because of the loneliness they experienced when they weren't dating someone they would end up using, or the people they dated or the people they had sex with, they would end up going back to those people and using. So for some women drug addicts and alcoholics, unless they deal with their sex and romance issues, they're going to really struggle staying sober.